how to create a very quick doodle design like this in Affinity Photo. Key thing is pixel tool. So I'm just going to go over here and select the pixel tool. Now it's just below the paintbrush tool. So pixel tool there. Make certain it's set to 1, and you might like to go to the brushes panel and select the basic 1 pixel brush there. Set opacity 100%, etc. and set a colour, say to red, and then apply. And it can be as complex as you like. Don't have to create complex design, maybe a couple of strokes, just very simple design like this. Go and set another colour, maybe blue, maybe green, maybe 5 or 6 different colours, up to you. And like I say, you can create all sort of scratchy designs, anything like that. So once you've done that, just go over here to the move tool. And with that, you can see now you've got your design. So you've got your design there. And you can now save it as a brush. So go to the brushes panel. And you can find that in the view menu, studio and brushes. Go to the right side menu here. And there's an option here, new brush from selection. So this design, this is going to be saved. This is the selection. It's going to be saved as a brush. So new brush from selection. And it's just added down here. And I'm just going to delete it now. Don't need that anymore. Go to the paintbrush tool. That's just above the pixel tool. And then select that brush. This is it, just here in the brushes. So select that and you can double click that and you can change it. You can tweak it. So you get this brush head, and of course you can see the actual initial brush there already. But you can go here. You can change the size. You can maybe reduce it down a bit. Change the spacing. Now you can hardly see it in the preview. It's one of those problems, but you can apply it. And there you can see as you apply it over there like that. But you can also again increase the size. You can also go here for hue jitter as well as saturation jitter and also luminosity. So you get a variety of different colors in this. Also change the size jitter. Also maybe go for rotation jitter. So there's quite a few of these jitter settings in the dynamics you can change. You've got the general, you've got that size set to about, say, 900. Click close and now apply it. Simple as that. Just simply apply across the screen very quickly like that. And you can see your design. And you can fill the entire screen very quickly. Now, of course, what you can also do is apply other effects. So go to filters, maybe go to blur and Gaussian blur or motion blur. Maybe have a nice streak color like this across the screen. And then apply it again. So you can add on top or maybe apply it as a layer. All those sort of things. You can do a variety of different designs simply by doing this. And also you can distort it. So you've got this lovely scratchy doodle-like design. You can see all the colours there. Well, you can modify them as well. You can go to maybe filters and colours, maybe go to auto levels, auto colours, etc. Or maybe use adjustments. But you can also go, say, distort and deform. So with that, just drag up here, set to similarity, maybe add some handles very quickly, and then just distort it. And you can see as you do that, you get this lovely effect of all the colours distorted off. And again, stretch it off in that direction, stretch it over there, create all kinds of weird and wonderful designs simply by just stretching and dragging this out. And you can see all those lines in your doodle design, and you can create a variety of different shapes and designs that way. And of course you can apply your brush stroke again if you wish. But also you can go to here and you can go to filters and repeat deform, so you can distort it even more. Repeat deform, and again you can see your design. So again it's nicely swirling all over the place. And of course again go to layer, new adjustment layer, and you can maybe go for levels if you want to just modify it just slightly, just tweak it, maybe the white levels, gamma, just tweak all those colors, maybe change the blending modes and so on. And you've got your end result there. And that is a very quick doodle design, obviously stretched and distorted in this case, but all based on that initial brushstroke there, pixel tool. Just create all kinds of different doodles with the pixel tool and then use that as a paintbrush. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Thank you much.